Jai Srimannarayana. 17th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Atma Sambhavita Stabdhaha Dhanamana Madanvitaha Yajante Namayajnaiste Dambhena Avidhipurvakam Do never intoxicated by wealth, pride and arrogance. Do never disregard our scriptures. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall never get intoxicated by wealth, arrogance and pride. O Srimannarayana, I shall never disregard our scriptures. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the devatas approached Chaturmukha Brahma and explained the disaster that it is present in the entire universe. Then Chaturmukha Brahma samsmaran he did meditated upon Paramatma and now addressing Devatas like this. Oh my dear Devatas, అహం భవో యూయమధో అసురాదయః మనుష్య తిర్యక్ ద్రుమ ఘర్మజాతయః. మీ పరమశివ, all of you devatas and asuras, all the living beings, everything came out from Paramatma. And also, depending upon the situation and the purpose, Paramatma takes a form in which at times there will be predominant sattva gunam or rajo gunam or tamo gunam. And he takes those forms and get the things done, related works. So that Paramatma, he has no any kind of partiality. He is no biased. He is impartial. So he would definitely take care of us. That is why Vrajama Sarve Saranam Tamavyayam. Let us all go ahead and surrender to such Paramatma. Paramatma is naturally an embodiment of a personification of compassion. Definitely Paramatma brings the welfare to the entire world. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma addressed Devatas, took all of them and went to the place which is there beyond Tamas, where Paramatma is present with the name Ajita. Chaturmukha Brahma reached over there. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 16th chapter 17th sloka. Atma Sambhavita Stabdhaha Dhanamanamadhanvitaha Yajante Namayajnaiste Dambhena Vidhipurvakam. Atma Sambhavita Stabdhaha Dhanamanamadhanvitaha Yajante Namayajnaiste Dambhena Vidhipurvakam. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.